My name is Sandra Mariela Maradiaga, and I hope your family is well. We are students from the UPN-FM, Universidad Pedagógica Nacional Francisco Morazán, in Nacaome Valle, Gurnag. We are studying the English career, and today we are going to learn about the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense for habits or for things that happens sometimes or all the time. In this video, you are going to learn more about the simple present tense, and we are pretty sure that you are going to enjoy this video with your family, because in this pandemic, it's important to continue with the study of English for improving all your skills. I am going to stop here and let's start with the class.
Well, my dearest students, welcome to the English class. The topic for today is the simple present. But before we begin the class, we'll make a little game very funny. I will show you some pictures and you tell me what the person does in the picture. So, good luck. Tell me, what does she do? She cried. Very good. What does he do?
He jumps. Good.
What does she do?
She reads. Very good.
What does they do?
They dance. Well.
Now, what does she do?
She paints. Very good. Well done, guys. You are very good students.
Hello guys, in this class we are going to learn about the simple present tense in English. First of all, you need to note that we use the simple present tense in daily activities or routines. The simple present tense has some rules which change the word in the third person singular in affirmative sentences. So you need to know the personal pronouns, which are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. The third person includes he, she, and it. So I am going to explain some rules in order to create affirmative sentences with the third person singular. So please pay attention. The first rule is we are going to add the letter S to the majority of the verbs if you are doing sentences with these pronouns. For example, she drank water. This sentence is incorrect because we know that the verb is drink, right? But we are using the third person of singular, so we need to add the letter S in the verb drink, like this. She drinks water. Second rule, add es at the end of the verb when the verbs are ending in O, X, Z, S, SS, SH, and CH. For example, she go to the park. This sentence is incorrect because, as you can see, the verb go ends with the letter O. So the correct sentence is she goes to the park. Another example is he watches TV. We add es because the verb ends in ch. The third rule is if the verb ends with the letter Y and close to the letter Y we have a consonant, we need to change the letter Y for the letter I and add es. For example, the verb try, which is tries, and the verb study, which is studies. For example, Jose studies English. The first rule is with the verb have. We are going to change the verb have for the verb has. For example, she has a house or he has a car. Now we are going to learn the affirmative, negative, and some questions with the simple present tense. So you should note that in the simple present tense we use the auxiliary das with the personal pronoun he, she, and it, and do with I, you, we, and they. Both of them are used for question. Does or does not or do not are used for negative sentences. Let's see this picture. We have affirmative, negative, and interrogative questions. So we have the structure in affirmative, which is subject, clause infinitive verb, clause complement. Kate practices basketball. And we have the negative structure. Negative, which is a subject, clause do not or does not, clause infinitive verb, clause complement. Kate doesn't or does not practice basketball. So let's see, we use doesn't because it is third person. Now we have the interrogative form. Do or does, clause subject, clause infinitive verb, clause complement. Does Kate practice basketball? Now we have a picture with some examples in order to learn a little bit more about the topic. We have the affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. For example, I live in affirmative, and negative, I don't live, or I do not live, it's the same. And interrogative, do I live? Affirmative, you live. Negative, you don't live. And interrogative, do you live? And we have the third person, which is he lives. In negative, he does not or he doesn't live. And interrogative, does he live? So we're continue learning.
Well, my dear students, it is very important for all of you practicing English at home for improving all your skills. Now, we're going to speak about some activities in your daily routine or in your family daily routine using the simple present tense. For example, first of all, we have the following sentences. Number 1, I comb my hair. The sentence number 2 is, my mother cooks delicious food. Now we have other sentences. My brothers study English at home. The sentence number 4 is, I listened to English music. And the last one, my sister cleans her room. Excellent. Great job. Now, we will continue speaking about some activities that we do not do every day at home. For example, the sentence number 1 is, I do not go to the beach every day. Number 2, my brother does not play soccer. Number 3, my father does not do exercise. Number 4, I do not study math. And the last one is, I do not run at the park. Great, well done. Congratulations, my dear students.
Hello, my dear students. We have another important activity. At this time, we are going to create some sentences using the present simple. As you may know, the present simple has its different forms, which are affirmative, negative, and interrogative. The affirmative form is composed of subject plus verb plus object. For example, I drink coffee. Now we are going to conjugate the present simple with the personal pronouns. We have I, you, he or she, we, and they. I play the piano, you play the piano, he or she plays the piano, we play the piano, and they play the piano. Now we have the negative form, which is composed of subject, do or does, plus not, plus verb, plus object. For example, Carlos does not like the milk. Now we are going to conjugate the present simple in its negative form. I do not play the guitar. You do not play the guitar. She or he does not play the guitar. We do not play the guitar. Or they do not play the guitar. Well, we have the last form, which is interrogative. It is composed of do or does plus subject plus verb plus object. For example, do you work? Now it is time for conjugating. Do I play soccer? Do you play soccer? Does he or she play soccer? Do we play soccer? Do they play soccer? Okay, guys, using these examples, you are going to create your own sentences. I know you are going to do an excellent job.
Okay, guys, it's time for the next activity, which is the evaluation. In this case, you are going to complete the sentences in your notebook using the present simple. Are you ready? The first one. She soccer. What is the correct answer? Plays or play? Yes, the correct answer is plays. She plays soccer. The second one. My mom always does dinner. What is the correct answer? Cooks or cook? Yes, the correct answer is cooks. My mom always cooks the dinner. The third one. I tennis every day. What is the correct answer? Plays or play? Yes, you're right. The correct answer is play. I play tennis every day. Number 4. We play the piano. What is the correct answer? Doesn't or don't? Yes, the correct answer is don't. We don't play the piano. Number 5. Anna listens to the radio in the morning. What is the correct answer? Doesn't or don't? Yes, the correct answer is doesn't. Anna doesn't listen to the radio in the morning. Number 6. Does cook every day? What is the correct answer? She or we? Yes, the correct answer is she. Does she cook every day? And the last one. Do you watch TV every day? What is the correct answer? Yes, you're right. The correct answer is you. Do you watch TV every day? Okay, guys. Now you are going to write your own examples in your notebook. You can do it.
Hello to everybody. In this opportunity, I'm going to explain a little about the feedback of the class, and for this we will need some mentions to be able to clarify the correct usage of simple present tense. So in this way The present simple. The present simple is a verb tense with two main uses. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now, or when it happens regularly. Now, some usage. We use present simple to talk about facts, habits and routines, feelings and emotions, general truth. Like examples, I live in Poland, they swim every day, they like pizza, Sunday comes after Saturday. There are some examples and usage of the simple present tense. Now, simple present tense. This tense has only one word. Candy likes flowers. The flowers smell good. Mimi sings well. Mimi is good at singing. So, depending on the person, the simple present tense is formed by using the root form by adding s or s to the end. Example, I feel great. Pauline loves pie. I'm sorry to hear that you're sick. Some exercise here. The first one, I always help my friends. She likes tea but not coffee. You eat very little. It is not good for you. They need the teacher's help. So there are some exercise. So in this way, the simple present tense, also called simple present indefinite, is a verb tense which is used to show repetition, habit, or generalization. Less commonly, the simple present can be used to talk about scheduled action in the near future, and in some cases, actions happening now. That is all.